Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is the Enchanted Wheel Oracle. This is a deck by US Games. It's written by Alison De Nicola, and the artwork is by Sabina Espinay. As you can see on the box here, it says elemental energy through the cycles of the year. Enchanted Wheel Oracle invites you to embark on a journey of self-discovery, elemental connection, and timeless wisdom, focusing on the Celtic Wheel of the Year. This oracle is based on specific portal days with goddess teachings from the mystical land of Avalon. The Enchanted Wheel brings the solar events and cardinal directions into focus, helping us to navigate our own spiritual pathways, embrace the sacred wisdom of the seasons, and deepen your connection with the natural world. It is 45 cards, and the little booklet is 128 pages long. Do you say that? Long it is, isn't it? Yeah. So you've got an introduction, as in what the concept of the deck is, the Wheel of the Year. So you've got quite a lot of information here, preparing the cards, spreads, which each of the cards are. So basically, if we go through that, just what the concept is, the Wheel of the Year, and then we get into preparing the cards, some spreads, and then each of the cards. Okay, there you've got a little colour illustration, what the card means, and a statement that you will get at the end of it. So those are the cards. You would need the guidebook. I mean, I think they've got the keywords written on the cards anyway, we'll see now. But yeah, so that's that. Let's pop that to one side so you can see the cards. They all have the sun on the back of them. Okay, right. Flip those over. Now, as I always say, you can either speed me up or slow me down. You're in charge through the controls on the video. It's one of the reasons I like to use YouTube, actually. Number one, they host the videos without any system crashing. I used to try and do these things online, but it's much easier through YouTube. Although they seem to put some sort of, I don't know, the algorithm's not really sharing much content these days. So please make sure if you're seeing this that you are subscribed and that you've subscribed to receive notifications on all of the videos. We do quite a bit. Okay, so she's got the Avalon in the background, which we believe to be Glastonbury Tor. And then I'll pull a card for you randomly at the end of this. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have you used a round deck? It's not something I've used, I have to say. But I tend to be fairly traditional, to be honest. As you know, I tend to stick to the Waite Smith and the odd Oracle deck, and I love the Lenormand, so I haven't done many with Oracle decks. Okay, I'm just going to do a random card for you. These are quite nice, actually, so you can do this. I mean, I'm not mixing them up tremendously, but how do they shuffle? La, la, la. Okay, a card for you from this pile, I feel. And we're going to, oh, he spun. There we go. Sunflower Fairy. So then if you pulled that, that's illumination, playfulness, and fun. 30. So we've got the number. Right. Connect to simple pleasures. Our fairy companions never miss an opportunity to remind us to play and seek joy. With the energy of sunflowers, one of the illumination in the late summer, this fairy is a messenger of enjoyment and fun. Remember the youthful days of playing outdoors, warm evenings chasing and collecting fireflies. Barefoot on the earth, there is no simple connection to the fairies who chase along with us. This is a calling to remember play, fun, and delight of summer energy. The Sunflower Fairy invites you to step back into an earlier time. This may be a time of youth or simply a less complicated point of your life. Drop the burdens you carry, the weight of life. I don't know why the camera's moving. The weight of life, and reclaim the simplicity found in fun. Sunflowers are also heliotropes whose faces follow the sun through the day. This elemental also reminds us the power of the sun is to illuminate and inspire. Are you in need of a light to follow out of the darkness and remember who you truly are? This message is deeply connected to your inner child and the need to do something that is based on what makes you smile. Life tends to get serious and heavy over time, doesn't it? Just. The Sunflower Fairy is pulling you by the hand to see what brings light to your mind and spirit. Can you suspend your work and add in play? Find the way forward in simple pleasures, a barefoot walk outside or sipping tea in the garden. Make playfulness and fun a priority in your life. Statement: my innate sense of playfulness and fun is reawakened. There we go. So you could pull a card a day or just do some of their spreads at the beginning of the book. Okay, I hope that you found that interesting. Let me know what you think in the comments. That's the Enchanted Wheel Oracle by Alison De Nicola and Sabina Espinay, a US Games deck, and it's available now. Thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.